Hello, beloved of God. I know you must have heard that once you are born again, automatically you will make it to heaven. That is true. Only if the day you got born again and that's the day you die. Are you also aware of the sin of commission? The things we do wrong. Are you also aware of the sin of omission? A man was bundled out of the wedding banquet because he didn't put on the right garment. The rich man failed to take care of Lazarus, and that was why he met himself in hell. The 5 foolish virgins, they failed to put oil in their lamp, and that was how they were disqualified. The fig tree was cursed just because it did not produce fruit. I have found out that majority of children of God are committing a grievous sin, and many has gone. They checked out without manifesting the destiny they brought from eternity to time. And I also noticed that you have achieved many things, and now you have a sense of attainment in life, but you are yet to fulfill the reason why you came here. To help the children of God to be delivered from this grievous sin of omission that I found out with the children of God in my days is lack of fulfilling destiny. People only exist, go about life without considering the fact that they came here to do something specific for God. And that's why God has commanded me to gather people in the month of August for an intensive training on equipping for destiny. Mark the date. It is a camp meeting, a week camp meeting. Heaven will open over us, and God will come down to teach you and to equip you to see why you came and to do that which He wants you to do. And that's the reason why He's actually keeping you to be alive. So join us and register for this training. The arrival date is Sunday, August 9. Arrive in the evening, then the training will start on Monday, 10th of August. Throughout the day from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., like that till Saturday, just for the whole week. And when it is Sunday morning, you go back to your various destinations. The training will cost you 75,000 naira. This covers the registration, the feeding, the drinks, and the training manual. All that you will be taught will be packaged for you, and you have it with you, and you also go with it. And that 75,000 naira you will pay in full. The training center is Gosen Court, Oriakpata, Akobo, Ojuri, Ibadan. Register now. You can't afford to live your life living in the sin of omission, grievous sin of omission. This is peculiar for only those who are born of God. You were saved for a reason. For that reason, that's why Baba is keeping you alive. Register now. Make sure you are there. God bless you.